Hello friends, in this video we will learn and write how to make sentences. So let's start. First line, car. I go to Allahabad by car. Second line, cricket. Cricket is an outdoor game. Third line, Rahul. Rahul is my neighbor. Fourth line, student. Syamu is a brilliant student. Fifth line, doctor. He wants to be a doctor. Sixth line, light. Diwali is the festival of light. Seventh line, jump. She jumps on the roof. Eighth line, play. We do not play cricket every day. Ninth line, pink. My favorite color is pink. Tenth line, Doraemon. Doraemon is a blue robot cat. Thanks for watching guys.